welcome back to my channel. So I think I finally got my hands on a true Burmese curly wig, y'all. So I've been seeing this wig all over TikTok and the curls just look so juicy and like full and voluminous, and that's what you want in a Burmese curl. So I got a half wig from 𝐈𝐒𝐄𝐄 Hair. This one is 26 inches and it's their Burmese curl, y'all. And I've had another wig, I've had a few other wigs that said Burmese curl, but they didn't give like the big juicy curls. They didn't give like the big juicy curls. So I always felt like different companies have different types of Burmese curl. I don't know. This is what it looks like. It comes with the pre-curled ends, and that's gonna give you that big loop, like those big C curls. And this is what it looks like. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this on. Actually, I think I want to wash it just to make sure, because you know sometimes with some of the wigs when you wash it, it changes the curl pattern. So before I hype this thing up, let me go ahead and wash it. But y'all, look, if it does not stay like this, I'm going to be so sad. So this cap has kind of the bigger comb in the middle, and then it has two smaller combs on the sides right here, and then it has the one bigger comb in the middle in the back right here. And then, you know, now they have this drawstring right here, which helps to lock the wig in place and shrink it if you need it to be a little more snug. And then the one that comes out. I might take this one out. I'm not sure, but I probably will. So let's go ahead and wash this, y'all.
Merry go round, round with you. In and out, then up and down, down, down. It's getting old, going around, round with you. Think I need some solid ground. Merry go.
Let's go. Let's hop. Ooh, that's cold. That's hot. Let's go. Let's hop. Ooh, that's cold.
Riding in my drop top, windows down. Think I'm going crazy, looking for a sign. You and me should stop, settle down. Go our separate ways and never turn around. What can I do? Can play by your rules. I break when I bend over backwards for you. If there's a way to get you to change, I won't be around anymore anyway. Merry go round, round with you. In and out, then up and down, down, down. It's getting old, going around, round with you. Think I need some solid ground. Merry go.
Let's go. Let's not. Ooh, that's cold. That's hot. Let's go. Let's not. Ooh, that's cold.
All I think about and all I know, you were made for me and I was made for you. Tell me how we stop this merry-go. Can we break the cycle, maybe see it through? What can I do when it's all new? Swear I'm learning as I go. I'll take the blame, fix my mistakes, but what if I change? Would you stay through the pain while I grow?
Okay, yeah, so wig is on. And when I say that, literally took little to no time, which is why I love half wigs so freaking much. All I have to do is leave out that little slither of leave out, so I don't even really have to worry about maintaining that because it's such a small amount. This is the front. Look at that, y'all. And the curls came back, y'all. So look how gorgeous the curls came back. So I showed you guys the full little process so you can see what it looked like and everything, but it came back and it's not giving water wave. A lot of times when Burmese curlies like get wet, they give a water wave or like a kinky curly or something like that. This is still like big and juicy. It still has a curl pattern to it. Like it still has the little spirals at the ends. I like it a lot. And it barely shed, like barely anything. This was almost all the hair that came out when I washed it. Nothing. So that's also a plus. So my original plan was to leave it long, but then I got the random impulse to cut some layers in the front. So I just did that right in the front. I didn't do the whole head, literally just both sides. And I'm happy that I did because it added some more body to the hair, which I really liked. And then I just took a little bit of water to recurl the ends because, you know, when you cut, it gets a little bit fuzzy. So I just wet the ends a little bit and then recurled them. It's good to know that even the pieces that I cut, they spiral back up too. So that's nice. Like it doesn't just curl on the ends. Okay, so that definitely added something to it. Happy I did it. Just that little slope, y'all. It doesn't take much. Like, you don't have to be too scared, because you can't get scissor happy, but you don't have to be too scared when you're cutting just a little bit of layers in the front. I just literally went at an angle like that. That's it. Yeah, so I just want to try something and see what it looks like. So I'm going to take this out and I'm going to put my leave out up. I'm in here sweating, y'all. I'm going to put my leave out up and see. This just looks so damn good. I'm going to put my leave out up and see what it looks like. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. Just split it because I'm still going to use that braid to hook. And I'm going to just like brush around this. Don't mind it, okay?
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it, see how.
Okay, so this is it. All of my hair is tucked under on both sides. I wish I kind of would have did like 2 more little anchor braids on the side to keep these little hooks from sliding back. But let's see. And I'm going to take a piece from right here and just do a little braid. So I'm going to do another one right here on this side.
Rewind, when we rewind, feels so nice. We time, you I know how to make me feel right. I can't help how. Had this sweet talk, I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say less to me. Don't need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way.
That's actually really cute. Okay, so this is how it came out and I am obsessed. Like, what? It looks like a cute little headband. You cannot tell that, like, I don't have any leave out. I mean, even though you only need a tiny bit of leave out with these wigs, sometimes you just don't want to deal with any leave out at all, y'all. And this is a really quick and easy fix. It came out so freaking cute. All the ways that I did came out really cute. But I think I'm going to leave it like this because I just don't have to worry about anything. And that was so freaking simple. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will have everything down below for you guys, including coupon codes and everything that I used today. I love you guys and I will see you on my next one.
On my way, you blushing, sweet concussion.